At the lake for the first time this summer, but really what captivates my attention is the guys with the ladder over there. They seem to be just crawling up and down the ladder.
So it is interesting who you choose as your life mate. Comes our dog Baylor. Baylor!
Ruff!
Baylor!
Ruff! 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 Hey, Baylor! Hey! Good Baylor. Hey, there's Sammy in my favorite colors. Hey, Sam. Top of the morn. It's not the morning though, it's what, 1:42 already? Wow, goodness sakes.
Wow, that's right. We caught a whole bunch right down in front of, what was it, crappies? We had wheelbarrows full of them and brought them up, and my brother Andy's left-handed, so he would fillet the left side and my other brother would fillet the right.
That's like a little tree frog. Did he fall out of the tree?
Yep, from the lake all the way, you just keep following the river and you barefoot, you know, and you fall down once in a while, but I remember doing that. And leeches would get on.
Yeah, leeches. Lots of those around here. And always a snake.
Going up, you can see them. Putting the tent down and search.
May as well. Here comes the rain again.
I'm just going to put my rain jacket on, if that's alright.
Mm-hmm.
We would start walking the playground perimeter every morning to get them in shape to walk up.
Baylor!
Baylor gone?
Baylor's been found. Good, Baylor. Good timing.
Is it in just a bag you can hand me? Because I can wash it.
I got some of our blankets in there too, mixed in there a little bit. But no, I didn't want to have to ask you.
Are you... Two questions for you actually. Are you ready for school to start tomorrow? A little excited? Oh, you're going to do great. Number two, would you like to meet the man of the three windows? You want to meet him someday? He's probably like the Wizard of Oz. You meet him and he's probably one of the nicest guys you've ever met in your life, but you just don't know. He seemed maybe a little angry.
Did you see him last night? You did?
Yeah, we'll be back.
Well, he says he did. I think it might have been the trees or something, because there's bushes around the door there. Right, Sam?
Sam, I thought you did though.
I thought you did.
Yeah,
Did
we
you
both
see it?
did. Yeah. Finally, after all these years.
2:37 and umbrella inside. No disc golf today.
That was great.
Okay, bye, Cantines. See ya, that was fun. I think they had a great time, and that's camper number 6 here in the East Campground. 2:45 p.m. It's going to be at least 7 campers.
Rain today? Question mark.